Dynotherm, manufacturers and suppliers of quality friction material. Dynotherm, South Africa's leading manufacturer of quality friction material for the past 20 years, is situated in the beautiful KwaZulu-Natal Midlands in the scenic town of Howick. This modern and technically advanced production facility manufactures and exports quality friction, high-performance disc pads, brake linings, industrial clutches, semi-flexible and racing friction materials, and is one of only 3 such manufacturers in the world. Dynotherm has excelled and grown into one of the world's leaders in the ever-growing export market of quality friction material. Dynotherm strives to consistently and competitively produce quality products supported by a thorough understanding of its customers' needs and requirements. Through open communication, the company strives to create an informed, involved, motivated and efficient workforce, providing customer satisfaction through quality products and commitment. Dynotherm provides a wide range of quality friction materials to a broad spectrum in the transport world. From brake pads fitted to steel discs on high-speed articulated dump trucks to disc pads for the defense and aviation industry. Tanks to high-speed aircraft carriers and jets to commuter buses. Dragline heavy-duty cranes, mining equipment and commercial passenger vehicles. Dynotherm supports the regulations and rules for environmental care and are therefore an environmentally friendly manufacturer. All products are asbestos-free and conform to stringent international statutory requirements. Dynotherm's scented pads contain no phenol resins or airborne fibers and perform at temperatures of 800 degrees Celsius without use of heavy metals, thus exceeding global environmental standards. The sintering process Dynotherm uses is best described as the technology whereby the friction material is compacted with a high-tech pressing process and fused at very high temperatures in an inert atmosphere, thus eliminating the need for binding agents. This allows the product to be finished at very high temperatures. The lack of binding agent makes the product much more heat resistant as well as flame and swell proof, thus providing higher performance, safety and reduced running costs. Dynotherm materials are South African Bureau of Standards or SABS tested and compliant to their standards. The company is an accredited ISO 9002 company based on its design, development, manufacture and supply of friction materials. Dynotherm products are tested on their large inertia dynamometer, simulating actual working conditions as well as at third-party test houses and in the field. Such is the stature of the Dynotherm laboratory and expertise in braking technology that the company is frequently asked to run comparative tests on friction materials by South African and overseas institutions and manufacturers. This test illustrates the flammability of resin-based OEM or original equipment manufactured disc pads and their inability to stop promptly when new, as well as their continued combustion for more than 4 minutes after the assembly has come to a standstill. The whole process is computer controlled and monitored by trained technicians. To demonstrate Dynotherm's leading edge and unsurpassed high temperature performance, the same test is conducted a second time. This time, the dynamometer is fitted with Dynotherm high quality friction disc pads. When Dynotherm pads are exposed to the same test, they bring the dynamometer to a standstill in just over 16 seconds. Carbon dust ignition exists only during the actual braking application and no flames are present after coming to a standstill. The video actually shows the real time in which the tests are conducted. The camera was at no time stopped or speeded up. The key to becoming the market leader in friction materials lies in Dynotherm's relentless commitment to continuous product improvement. This approach includes design and manufacture of presses, test machines, mixers, grinders, tooling, the creation of software and compounds, extensive research and development, and an intensive quality assurance system. The company's internal engineering works and complete tool room assures the customer of excellent high-quality tailor-made solutions and friction material products with the fastest turnaround time. The factory's fully programmable battery of high-pressure presses with capabilities of up to 1,250 tons ensures ample reserves for the most demanding molding and sintering applications. Dynotherm's fully computerized MRP-II production system and storing capabilities enables them to maximize buffer stock, offering the customer the best possible response time. Dynotherm is a supplier to various international manufacturers such as Bell, Terex, Toyota SA, ERFSA, Desi, Bendix, ATE, and Komatsu. As part of the company's ongoing quest for quality and safety, regular tests are conducted to ensure safety, improvement, innovation, and customer satisfaction. In part 2 of this video, Dynotherm disc pads are tested to ISO 3450 and Alberta specifications in actual working conditions on an open mine with a fully loaded Komatsu 730E truck. As part of the commitment to Dynotherm's customers, regular tests are conducted under the most stringent and harsh conditions possible, as shown in this video clip of tests conducted during December 2005 at one of the world's biggest open ore mines, that of Kumba Resources at Sishen in the Northern Cape province of South Africa. The tests were done on both rear and front disc pads. The Dynotherm disc pads also had to endure the burden of downhill and level ground tests. Tests were also conducted at different speeds, measured by an onboard data acquisition unit and verified by radar and a special paint marker system attached to the truck to be triggered as soon as the brakes were applied. At a speed of 50 km per hour, fully loaded with iron ore, the Komatsu 730E truck, fitted with Dynotherm disc pads, took only an average of 73 meters to come to a complete standstill, well within the 109 meters maximum requirement, illustrating high levels of safety. The test was repeated several times, supervised and noted by officials from the mine, Dynotherm and Komatsu to ensure compliance to factory requirements. Extensive field tests reveal that Dynotherm front disc pads last approximately 4 times longer than the OEM disc pads and offer radically improved disc life, resulting in reduced downtime and increased productivity. Dynotherm, internationally acclaimed friction material for unsurpassed high-temperature operation. Lowest cost per hour function on discs and pads. Advanced safety features. Improved deceleration characteristics. Advanced retention interfaces for maximum pad adhesion. Official supplier to international original equipment vehicle manufacturers. Dynotherm, leaders in manufacturing and development of high-quality friction material.